Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress news website. First, you'll need to choose a reliable hosting provider and register a unique domain name for your site. Once that's done, install WordPress, which is often a straightforward one-click process with most hosts. Finally, select a professional news or magazine-style theme that is specifically designed to showcase a large volume of content effectively. This foundational setup is crucial for a successful news platform. Next, focus on structuring your content effectively using categories, tags, and custom post types for easy navigation. Then, install essential plugins. A powerful SEO plugin is vital for improving your visibility in search engine results, helping new readers find your articles. Additionally, implement a caching plugin to significantly boost your website's loading speed, providing a better experience for your visitors. Now, let's talk about making your news site sustainable and engaging your audience. Integrate various advertising solutions, such as Google AdSense or direct ad sales, to generate revenue from your content. Simultaneously, build an email list to send out newsletters, keeping your readers informed and connected. Don't forget to include prominent social media sharing buttons to help your content reach a wider audience. Finally, maintaining a secure and functional news website is paramount. Install a comprehensive security plugin to shield your site from common online threats and malicious attacks. Make sure to regularly back up all your website data, including content and settings, to prevent any potential loss. Always keep your WordPress core, themes, and all plugins updated to their latest versions for optimal security and performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.